easy. All we're gonna do, we're gonna saute some onions and some garlic, and then we're going to add our veggies with a little bit of our spices, a little bit of salt. Easy peasy. You don't need much. We could put a little bit of our chicken or FoodAMed style seasoning as well. And it's a very easy recipe to prepare. And you just cover it and let it steam on a medium heat.
Right, and don't overcook it. Just remember that. So it should still be some crunchy. So when you overcook your veggies, you're all denaturing your nutrients.
So one easy way to use up leftover veggies is to make a soup. And another way is to steam them. But you should never have vegetables go to waste, right? What kind of diet are we eating? Plant dominant. Plant dominant, right.
Right, if you can't do plant-based, so the best is plant-based. That's your optimal. But if you can't do the plant-based and plant-dominant, what that means, 90% should be plants, 10%, you know, the healthier protein. Flesh food, I don't want to call it. I'm biased. But we know that not everyone can go to 100% plant-based. That's why we're now changing to plant-dominant. Most of the plants with small amount of clean, white meats.
The best quality you can have.
Exactly.
And Mr. Moore has mentioned that a lot. It's just your brain was slow this morning. She mentioned that right now.
Yes.
Alright, so we're just going to add a little bit of salt.
Sea salt.
We're using the pink Himalayan salt.
So pink Himalayan salt has about 80 additional minerals that you won't find in the normal table salts. So that is why you want to use that.
So I'm just going to add our tomatoes. I'm going to do it kind of fast. When you're home, you could actually saute it a little bit longer. Maybe nicer. But because we have a time constraint, we're going to just move along. It will still taste good. So I had some leftover tomatoes. I had bell peppers and a little bit of celery. Just throw it all in there. This is a throw it all in there recipe. I'm going to put a little bit of this Mrs. Dash. This is a salt-free seasoning. It has no salt. Just sprinkle onto your heart's stuff. And then we're going to put some of our FoodAMed seasoning. That's going to give it lovely flavor as well. Because we want to enjoy our food, right?
What kind was it? What's up?
What's in there?
This one is a beef style.
Oh,
Actually, it might be a mixture.
One of the things we have in our FoodAMed season that you won't find in the other season, whether it's H-E-B or Walmart, we have nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast has B complex vitamins. So you're getting extra B vitamins in that seasoning. So where should you get your pardon?
what is the name of it again? I can't see that.
Nutritional yeast?
And it's got other stuff in it.
Yeah,
It has
so
a B vitamin.
right. So the thing is this: if you were to go to FoodAMed and get this, you're adding much more nutrient in your seasoning than just the regular herbs. Yeah, so you can go to FoodAMed and get vegan beef or vegan chicken. Delicious and nutritious.
Alright, so our cabbage is just about there. Let's stir this together. Make sure it has enough salt. Very colorful. Ooh, and this is good to go.
You can use this to make a burrito wrap. You combine this, the lentils, as well as your cabbage slaw, and you make a burrito wrap. You can freeze that, take it out for lunch, or just have it with your guests.
Whatever you like, whatever flavors or condiments, if you like a lemon pepper flavor, whatever you like.
Yeah,
just
this
add
is
it in
good
there.
now. I think we should stop cooking.
Alright,
Let's be
turn it
crunchy.
off.
All
We
right.
have our